welcome back to another video. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thanks for everyone commenting recently on my videos, I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm back with another video. It's Friday night. The time's just gone 9:15 in the evening. Just about to go online. Boost is 1.5 until 4 AM, so yeah, the boost isn't a problem tonight. New additions to the bike. I've got a new Kryptonite lock with one of the quick release mounts on here. So just press on the button and it releases. Kryptonite keeper, I think it was like £17–18, but it's a lot better than what I had before. But yeah, that's about it. I've got a new case from eBay, the same one I had before. And I've just had to tape on the light for now until I get a new one. Yeah, let's get the night started. Also, I posted one of my videos on Reddit just to get some feedback. I had quite a few people commenting about blurring the faces of the customer when I go and drop off the food. I mean, I haven't had a customer yet ask me about the camera or anything, but from now on I'm just going to blur the faces of the customer when I'm doing my drop-offs. I understand this privacy and whatnot, and I completely get it. I recently saw an upload, someone trying to do £1,000 in 7 days. I can't remember the guy's name, but I'll link the video in the description. He's a crazy guy, man. I could never do what he does, and I'm on an e-bike and he's on a normal road bike, I'd call it, I think. But yeah, his channel's quite good. Check him out. That's someone I watch and get tips and tricks off of for my own channel. But yeah, thanks again for all the recent subscribers. Sorry I've been a bit slow with the uploads, but yeah, let's get this evening started. I'm gonna head into the zone and hopefully get some orders. Let's go. Finally got my first order in after about half an hour. And it's 0.5 miles away, so yeah, we'll head up and grab it. That wasn't a bad journey. I think I'm just up here on the right, left hand side. There we are. Thank you very much. Thank you. £5.42. Not bad. So hopefully I'll get a 1.5. Anything over a 1.5 miles, then I'm looking into, I think, the £6 margin. Anything over 1.5 is money, basically. Okay, so I've just got another order coming. I'm not sure where it is. Okay, let's pull over and have a look. Always lock your bike up. Too many opportunists out here.
It doesn't see everything.
Now we're talking 1.9 miles. And we're going to Soho. Burger and lobster. Nice. But yeah, we're going over Westminster Bridge. I think just by Regent Street and then go onto on into Soho. It's going to be busy up there, so I need to keep my wits about me. Go bus, go bus, go bus, go. Hello. Hi, this is UberEats rider. I'm outside Burger and Lobster. Whereabouts is your address? I'm outside Burger and Lobster. I've got your food. I'm from UberEats. Where? Yeah, in Soho on Dean Street. Whereabouts is your address? Okay.
I live in Croydon.
Hi, thanks for calling UberEats 24/7 support line.
No worries. Take care, yeah? Oh, this is craziness. So the last order that I went to deliver, the guy lives in Croydon. It's like 20 miles away from where I am. And then I had a woman borrow my lighter to smoke crack. Honestly, this Soho is mental. Anyway, we got another order now, 1.5 miles away. What a crazy night this is turning out to be. I think I'm only on my third order. I'm absolutely knackered. I'm on the phone to UberEats support. I got a woman asking to borrow my lighter, then I turn around and she's using it to smoke crack. She offered me some. I was like, whoa, hold up, love. So this is a delivery to a hospital. It's a meet outside one, so that is the place. Oh, I could go in the pub right now and murder me. Another one. I'm gonna decline that because I need 5 minutes to get my breath back.
No, I need air! I need air!
We'll breathe, son.
Hang on a minute. I can't breathe!
Hang on a minute.
Let me go offline. I'm up to 1738. So update, I'm still in Soho area. I just ate that order, well I ate the burger from that order that the customer wasn't at the correct address. I'm gonna hopefully find a homeless person that I can give this the skin on chips to. Oh, look at that G-Wagon. Look God damn. Well, couldn't find any homeless people to give this food to. One guy actually turned me down, which is quite surprising, so got no option but to bin it. So just in Mount Street in Mayfair, Dorchester Hotel just around the corner, so you see some really dope cars up here. Go and have a quick look at that as well before this guy kills me, and then
Where'd you learn to drive? What?
don't kill me. I'm just about to head over to the south side of the river. Still no orders coming yet. I mean, it's very slow tonight. But yeah, I'm only on 3 orders and £17.38, which is not bad. I've been out for just over 2 hours. It could have been better. Just got to the other side of the river in the 1.5 boost zone, and it's saying you're in a very busy area, expect trip soon. So hopefully I'll get an order in the next 10-15 minutes. I just had one come in, the dessert shop, so I'm gonna see what it is. Ben & Jerry's cookie dough. Okay. Hi, is this 99 Westminster Bridge Road?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got UberEats order to pick up.
Yeah. F5A70.
Perfect, thank you. There we are. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see how much that one paid. £4.37. Not bad. That takes me up to £21.75, and I've been online for 2 hours and 14 minutes. So yeah, not bad. I'm on 48% battery on my phone, and I've still got 3 bars on my bike. Another one coming in, Wicked Burgers, just around the corner. Let's go pick this one up, and yeah, it's coming up to midnight now. I think this is the latest I've worked before doing Uber. Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when I collect the food. See, perfect fit. But yeah, after this I'm gonna head home. It's nearly hitting midnight. If anyone can recommend any good editing softwares that are easy to use, I'd really appreciate it. Stick it over here. Perfect. Okay, let's deliver this one.
Please speak after the tone. Please enter. Please enter.
God damn. Nope, can't get in that way. 7 to 7. How do I get in? Right, so that one's delivered, and I got £4.97. Okay, a bit confused, but it's money. Finished on £26.72, 5 deliveries, and that was for 2 hours and 40 minutes. So it wasn't that bad. I mean, it could have been a bit better, but yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content coming soon. And I promise in January 2020 I'm gonna start uploading at least 3 times a week. One last thing, I was in Nando's 3 days ago, and I got chatting to the manager in Nando's and about Uber and whatnot, and he told me that Nando's are in the tender stage, so the final stages of signing up with UberEats alongside Deliveroo. I don't know if it's going to be UK wide or just London, but yeah, he told me that's coming very soon. So yeah,